What have I done? Hi and welcome back to Polymer Clay channel. I am celebrating. So I've hit 500 subscribers. Thank you all so much for watching my channel, for liking my videos, for commenting. I really appreciate all your support. So in celebration, as I did say that I would do, I have made, and I'm going to show you how I made, a YouTube play button. Now YouTube doesn't give out a play button very lightly. You have to go to some tens of thousands to get anywhere near a YouTube play button. So I've made my own and I'm going to show you how to do it. So here we go. Okay, so as you saw from this, I made the outline with a piece of paper that I cut out. I made it the right size for the frame that I'm going to put it in, and then basically worked my way around it. Cutting this out was really easy. I just did it with a knife, as you saw. But the most important thing I've found here is making sure that there's no fingerprints on it, and by that you can smooth it down with baby oil, which is what I did. And then I used plain paper just to go over it and take out all of the fingerprints and marks, so it's really smooth. So that I'm quite happy about. So now what I'm going to do is move on to the glitter. Now I've got several here, so I don't know which one to use. I've got all sorts, and this one's a fairly small one. I've got some dust here, this is very fine. This one's also fine as well. This one's by Paper Mania and it's called Tinsel Red. This one is called Red Rose, but I don't know who it's by, unfortunately, so that's quite fine as well. And then I've got some gems. So I'm just going to try these out on the little piece of scrap that I've got here that I cut out from the triangle and see what I like. So I think I'm actually going to go for this one. This is the Paper Mania one, the Tinsel Red. It's the right colour red, it's sparkly but it's not over the top. And then what I've decided to do is I can use this one to highlight and perhaps this one around the darker spots that I want, because this one's a more darker one as well, and it's got a similar sort of look to it. This one has completely painted the clay, so although it's glittery, underneath it's turned it a really dark colour. It doesn't come off actually, so quite surprised about that. And then these would look really, really good all the way around the outside, I think, but I don't think I've got enough. So I'm going to see how many I've got and how many I'm going to need, and then that may be a feature or may not. So I'm going to get to putting the glitter on. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So I put it in a box frame. I think it looks really, really cool. So the box frame I got from Amazon, and I put the piece of paper that I printed out the design on, so the wording and then the YouTube logo at the bottom, and then here it is. So I stuck this outside the glass so it sticks out, which is why I got a box frame to put it in. So here is my play button I'm going to put behind me, and I'm just going to love it. So this is how you make a YouTube play button from polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Don't forget to subscribe.